blue color, red color, yellow color, black color, green color, and white color. Kids now draw alphabets and numbers. Kids first draw A. A for apple, and here is blue color. Kids now draw B. B for ball, and here is blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. Kids again use blue color and draw F. F for fish. G. G for God. H. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids now J. J for jackfruit, and here is red color. The alphabets of J. K. K for king. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. Kids again use red color and draw N. N for nose. O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. Kids now draw R. R for rose, and here is yellow color. S. S for sun. Kids again use yellow color and draw T. T for teacher. U. U for umbrella. Kids now draw V. V for van. W. W for wallet. X. X for X-ray. Kids again use yellow color and draw Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. Kids now draw numbers, and first read of 1, and use black color. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kids again use black color and draw 8, 9, 10, 11. Blue color, red color, yellow color, black color, green color, and white color. Kids now draw alphabets, and first you draw A. A for apple, and use blue color. The alphabets of A. Kids again use blue color and draw B. B for ball. C. C for cat. Kids again use blue color and draw D. D for dog. E. E for egg. Kids again use blue color and draw F. F for fish. G. G for God. Kids neither H. H for helicopter and U is red color. The alphabets of H. I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. K for king. Kids again use red color and draw. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. Kids neither O for octopus and U is yellow color. The alphabets of O. P for parrot. Kids again use yellow color and draw. Q for queen. Kids neither R for rose. S for sun. Kids again use yellow color and draw. T for teacher. Kids neither U for umbrella. Kids neither V for van and U is black color. W for wallet. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Blue color, red color, yellow color, black color, green color, and white color. Kids neither numbers. And first draw 1, O and 1, 2, T W 2, 3, T H R W 3. Kids again use blue color and draw 4, 5. Kids neither 6. The numbers of 6 and use red color. IX6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kids neither 11. The numbers of 11 and use yellow color. 12. The numbers of 12. Kids neither 13. The numbers of 13 and use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. 15. The numbers of 15. Kids neither 16. The numbers of 16 and use black color. 17. The numbers of 17. 18. The numbers of 18. 19. The numbers of 19. 20. The last numbers of 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.